How to recover your Temu account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. If you guys want to recover your Temu account, the primary method is basically resetting your password. So that's what we'll be doing today. First step, open up your Temu app. After that, you can then tap on the sign in/register option. I'll just cross this for now. I'll sign in with another one. And after you're here, choose continue with email. Tap on that and enter up your email here. So after you enter your email, what you'll then need to do is tap on continue, and under password, you'll need to tap on forgot password. Type in your correct email again, then tap on submit. After that, you will receive a mail on your this email right here that you just submitted, and all you have to do is type in the code. As you can see, there is a resend code option. If you don't receive it, after the time elapses, you can simply resend the code. Then type in your code right here. Then after that, you can now reselect your password. So now enter up a password that's really strong. And after you've done that, tap on submit. Now you can tap on continue shopping and you're basically logged in. And that's how you can recover your Temu account. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.